Hello, I'm Nate. There is a customer who wants to sell the prepaid SIM card in the vending machine. What is the solution? Today, let's explore. This is how the product looks like. It's thin, with a hanging hook on the top. Solution number 1, hanging good train. This hanging good train is perfect for product with a hanging slot. Each slot can put 15 products. This is how it works. We can collect the product. Solution number 2 is spiral machine. We have a wall hanging model. Fill the product. Each slot can put 21 products. This is how it works. Now we can collect the product. If you have a product want to sell through the vending machine but do not have the solution, contact us. We will give you the answer.